Hey everyone, what's up? This is Stephen Casey Railpin here. Welcome to another model railroading video. As you can today, I have another new rolling stock I'd like to show you guys. So it's this car right here. This is another Christmas themed rolling stock by Bachmann. This is the North Pole and Southern gondola. This is the track cleaning 40-foot gondola. It's in the North Pole and Southern scheme, which is basically a Christmas themed rolling stock. So this will probably be maybe my last one I'll add for this year, because, you know, I have quite a number of rolling stock, and plus, I don't want to get too much, because, you know, the 060 steam locomotive can't pull that much. So, it's a really nice car. I can't wait to have this on the Christmas tree layout soon, as part of the Christmas special it has. So, yeah, there's that. And also, I also want to show you guys some new loads. So, these are some custom loads I made. So, this is just a old Union Pacific gondola I've had for quite some time. And I made some presents loads for it, so I have 4 of them. So how I did that is basically I just used some, like, old cardboard from like, you know, the camcorder battery boxes. You know, they come like this. Just decided to cut it off. And also some wrapping paper, some ribbon, scissors, and then some, and all that. And then some gift wrap tape. So there's that. So what I'm going to do with these presents will be transferred here. I just put this here as like a little sample, because basically they're the same tooling and all that. So it's a really nice, I really can't wait to get this road stock onto the layout sometime soon. And then I add the presents load on it. And then, because the reason why I decided to make the Christmas present load myself is because it's much easier if you just make it yourself, instead of just going to, like, you know, like a craft store to buy, like, the emitting ones, so you can just save some money. So it's a good way just to save some money if you just don't want to spend money on like, you know, Christmas decorations. So there you go. So yeah. So anyways, this is just a little bit of a quick video. It's the new rolling stock, the custom Christmas presents load, and that's all I want to share with you guys. So even though I think I did pretty well, even though they're a little bit sloppy looking, but I did the best I can. So anyways, that's gonna do for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. All right. Happy holidays, everybody.